The fuel pumps located inside of a high-cool fuel tank suck the fuel, then pressurizes and sends it to the engine through the fuel supply line. You can see that they are all placed on the pallets. All the raw materials are directly transferred to the injection molding machine through these seal tubes without contacting the outside world to ensure the stability of material performance. It is impressive that they are fully automated to produce and process by robots, which is an accumulation of more than 30-year manufacturing experience. Can you imagine how much time and effort it would take if these 38 processes were manufactured by hands, and how the accuracy of each part could be ensured? This technical asset ensures the performance and the stability of our products. Through more than 20 automatic production processes, dozens of such small components are precisely processed and installed to ensure that the tiny details of each fuel pump are in place.